Hey everyone, welcome back to another banger live stream. So today is quarter three of monthly quarter three, right? So this is a week. I'm looking for a trade and I'm actually on a trade. Sorry for the late stream because I was expecting an entry on a 6:30 Indian Standard Time, but we get an early entry. Well, if you want to get my signals even faster before I stream, then you can simply just join on my Discord. You can just let me just show you that I shared that. Yeah, you can see I shared that same trade here, and also even before that for that here. See that? So if you want to take the same trades as me and before I even enter, then you can simply join, and otherwise you can learn and you can find other traders to get help with your personal trading journey, right? So let's begin with our analysis and let me just walk you through the confluences of this trade, right? Let's do it. So at first, let's go on dollar index and let's start with daily time frame. All right. Is my voice clear? Let me know in the comments because the laptop is a little bit farther, right? Let me know if the voice is clear or not, right? So let me know for a moment. I would just begin with the analysis. Is my voice clear? Let me just share the stream too on Discord. All right, all right, all right, all right. I think my voice is clear. Yeah, it is. Oh well, okay, let's go to the confluences, right? So we're actually watching this dollar index. So I just simply mark this low and a high, and this is the midpoint, which is equilibrium, right? So what I want to do, price, to take out this low and actually hit this order block finally. That's the best case scenario, right? So I'm actually watching it to take out the 20 days low of dollar index, right? Because the seasonal tendency is bearish. It doesn't mean that it has to go bearish. It can literally take out this high. There is higher chances to, cause this is low resistance liquidity, right? So but we haven't taken out any inducement levels, so we can simply just retrace back to this equilibrium, this 20 days EBITDA data low, or maybe to this OTE order block, right? So this is what my views is on dollar index. Anchoring it for a long time. I hope if you watch my stream, you know about it. So let's go back to GBPUSD because I took the trade on GBPUSD, right? So on a setup is actually on a 5 minute. So what we have is classic Tuesday low of the week, right? Let me just put it the template so you can just see it better. Right. So okay, it's a little bit different. It's not accurate that, but this is actually let me just show you. This is Tuesday, this is Monday, right? This is Monday open. We went higher, then created a engineered liquidity equal lows, then took out the equal lows and did a market structure shift on 5 minute. Let me just show you. All right. So this is a market structure shift. I just enter on this breaker. That's all. It's just if it that easy, right? So You can see the same setup on 15 minute I shared on Discord. So yeah, it's going cool. We actually worked further. Let me just move my stop loss. I don't want to book loss today because there is high chances to take out the lows too. Um, let me just manage my trade for a moment. I'm actually breaking even. Break even would be a good thing. The spread is much higher on that this platform. I don't know why. I want to change it. Well, okay, trade is done. I'm actually on break even now, so there's no way I'm losing a trade, and there's no news, so no way it's coming back unless the trend changes, right? So I hope you get the confluences, the reason to take a trade on buy side. I just want to take out this London high. Hey there. Hey, how are you? Did you take the trade? You trade for Forex. I remember you were from my Discord server. I do want to trade. No, not yet. Oh, you were not trading or just waiting for your setup? All right. Well, there I am focusing learning nowadays. Okay, you can learn and actually do the trade, take trades too. I'm not advising anything financial, but you can do that. You trade only EURUSD and GBPUSD, not other pair. I I used to trade gold before, then I just switched to euro dollar and GBPUSD, right? But I currently watching US oil too, cause sometimes I really wanna see some moves when Forex is choppy, right? So it's coming back. As I said, there are probabilities. So I was in break even, I already said. Okay, break even hit, right? I just started a stream and just break even hit. Correct. My knowledge is very bad, so I can't seem to find a trade. Okay, okay, that makes sense though. That makes sense. So you were doing that 2016 mentorship, right? The private one. Let me just check. Sometimes the broker doesn't close the trade, which is hard. Yeah. Okay, I just got break even. Let me share it on Discord too, cause some people really watch my trades. Right. This one. Yes, going through 2016 mentorship needs great amount of patience, but yeah, it is indeed. Let me just share the screen of MT5 because some people don't believe either. So yeah, I was right about, because sometimes you have that intuition in the markets. That's why the chart experience is important, because these candles were closing strong. I just shared on the DC2 that if this 15-minute candle doesn't close strong, then I would just cut off 50%. That's what chart actually tells you. These things are really impressive when you go through a certain amount of time, spend it on the charts. Well, overall, didn't book loss. That is better than losing. Didn't made any profit though. Still in profit overall this month. Not a huge amount, but very small. But profit is profit. Right. Okay, just check out. Maybe it can do a break of structure again. I just want to watch it. Maybe we can see a setup on EURUSD because the SL would be much larger in GBP dollar. Now we are not seeing any. So this might be a liquidity sweep, you know. Just simply watching, let it just do whatever it wants to do. Okay. Hmm. Make sure to like the stream, boys. I shared on DC. Right. Yeah. Here was my entry. Here was my break even exit. All right, all right. As I thought it could be a liquidity sweep. Let's see if we can re-enter if there is a setup it forms. Are there any prerequisite for 2016 mentorship course? I don't know the terms he used, which includes turtle soup, OT, PD, array. Um, you don't need to know those things before. All you need is just go through the 2026, then the charter content. There you would understand the silver bullet or turtle soup or these things. Turtle soup is nothing, just a liquidity sweep, and just that is actually turtle soup. You know, this is a turtle soup, this is a turtle soup too. It's just fake out, nothing else. To the swing, all those things you can get on the chartered content. Just go with the market knowledge first, then setup you can just build your own and just get from ICT to anything. At first, get the right about the direction. Yeah, you are welcome. So as you see, this is a turtle soup. So maybe I can get an entry again. Not thinking to risk it, but if I see a strong structure shift, let me try other pairs like what could be USD CAD. USD CAD price action is really good. So yeah, this can be an buy setup. Look, it looks like a buy setup, but it should be reversed though. Mm, I don't know. USD JPY. Not finding any trade. NZD CAD. Mhm. There isn't. There isn't any setup. Just the GBPUSD. So let me just jump on 1 minute. Maybe we could find something. Ah, I can see my setup, even though I know it could go and take out the high, but being disciplined is more important. There is the whole 2 weeks left. We didn't had any news, so why that all of a sudden big candle only today? 80 number. But it's not working. Didn't have any news, but anyway, it just happened, whatever needs to happen. I don't know. It's okay. I think we should come tomorrow because I'm not seeing my setup, even though this is started so, but the market structure shift would be here. So, which is a very large SL, at least from here. This is 17 pips, which is way more. Won't fit my RR today. Yeah, I'm just closing the stream. Hope you guys are doing well. And that's all. See you tomorrow on 6:30 IST, right? Good trading. Good luck, everybody.